Guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. I have with me Jordana again, and today we're going to Spanish Town because I need to buy ink because, as you all know, I have online classes and I still have exam and we can't study on the laptop. Like if we study on the laptop, just don't send me for you. So we need to buy some ink, and we also want to go Spanish Town to see how this lockdown affect. And let me just wait till the truck pass. Garbage truck. Yeah, so you know, so we're in our 8 days lockdown, and I haven't been on the road since the lockdown, and I just want to see how Spanish Town is affected, like if the store them close, if the place busy, if people still go about them daily life. So I'm gonna take you on that journey and let you see. Going to some supermarket, even though I don't have to buy nothing, but I'm gonna go in there if you see if the shelf them still empty, you know, just to go show you how COVID-19 affect Jamaica. You understand? So come on, take a journey with me. As you can see, Jamaican store is packed. You need to come to Jamaica and do some shopping. No crisis out here. No crisis.
And plus, nobody out here now of Jamaica put them COVID-19 like American. Say yes. And I bet you said the goods in them expensive.
Oh, there's no flour. So if you want flour, you have to go somewhere else. And banana flour. Whole wheat flour though, which is very good. They can come and eat whole wheat flour, you understand?
Yes.
Ooh, lifestyle is there. Oh, it's for $1,032. Last time I paid $600.
They might raise up everything.
$900 for this one. Welcome to my bedroom tour, guys. So this furniture I got from Quartz. As you can see, the tag is still on it. And I'm just trying it just in case I want to bring it back. But I got this from Quartz, as I said. This is $4,000. This is very lovely. Like, it's like walls. You can put flowers in it. Then you have a lamp, which gives it that pop color, a nice concise bed, very soft, guys. Trust the job. Have that run thing at the bottom. Yeah. My dresser. This is my dresser. It's lovely right here. Same running drawers. Nice tail ones. Very lovely, guys. And look at the details, guys. Just look at the details.
Them not there, hello, them not there, just come like here. Outside. My first day I'm listening.
Rihanna, so Jardine out here, so I can't wait to come on my part for eat a pussy. Because she don't want to get none. But you guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to just cut it and get a piece, yeah?
Cut what?
I'm going to cut it and get her a piece. You're too mean, eh, sister?
She asked she not mean. She not mean.
Anyway, I'm going to cut it and give her a piece. So yeah, we just come back in and I'm tired. Understand? We get the inks and we get the whiteboard I'm not look for all long because we need to organize myself and realize I'm not organized. And we buy some marker to go with it. Shut up. Yeah. And as you can see, you know, Jamaica, it don't look like so we're in no pandemic, yeah, man, because the people them still out on the road, out shopping, store full same way.
Enjoying
probably
their
I just
sweet
swap
life.
old bar alone. Or maybe you just wear off, like after a while then realize, yo, it's not that serious. You see 1 and 2 person in a mask and gloves, but everybody else, nobody else not practice social distancing. Like in a case when you're going to, we have to wait still, we have to line up outside and then 20 person go in, and when we go inside them have this box on the floor where we have to stand on. They give us what, 3 feet
3
apart.
feet away from up.
But yeah, reach back home. Yeah. Finally. Whew. We're tired. So that's it for the vlog. And yeah, Jamaica good, you know. We're not in a total lockdown. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Catch the white color, eat our more.
But I don't think I'm gonna chance it like them and go out. I'm gonna stay in the same way because, you know, I want to keep safe. You understand? Only if I have to. And you see all them people that already might have to go to the supermarket and might have tissue? Yeah, look at them now. Look at them now. Because even now, you know, you can go out and shop same way, like it's not that serious. Like, anyway, please.
But keep in mind, them don't find the cure yet, okay?
Anyway, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So whenever you listen to the video, you will be the first to know.
And don't forget to like.